Hawkins High School in Los Angeles. Joseph Lewis, again, your fans, your fellow students there with you. Are you ready to do this? You excited?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the floor is yours, Joseph. Number one wideout in our ESPN 300. Where are you going to school?
Okay, so hello, everybody. Thank you for being here for me today. I would like to thank God for blessing me with this opportunity. Also, I would like to thank the coaching staff and the faculty here at Hawkins High School. I would like to thank Melvon and Malik James for developing me on and off the field and helping develop me as a man. I would like to thank my mom, Johnny Sanders, for being by my side through thick and thin and helping me with my decision.
Fight on.
With that being said, I, Joseph Lewis, will be furthering my education at the University of Southern California.
Fight on!
A big day for USC continues as Joseph Lewis staying home and playing for the Trojans. Joseph, why USC?
I chose USC because because like it was like close to home and stuff, and then like I also felt like I could make it like another place at home, and me and the coaching staff, we had got along well, and we had developed a good relationship.
It's certainly a team that finished strong after a rough start. What about the impact of a guy like Sam Darnold, knowing you'll have at least 1 year of playing with him and catching balls from him at the quarterback position? What kind of role did that play in this decision?
It plays a big part of the role because I'm a guy that could do good things with the ball up in my hands, and I'm just ready to start this thing and let's get this thing going.
Juju Smith-Schuster, Darius Rogers, both gone. What kind of opportunity do you see for yourself right away there in SoCal?
It's a big opportunity for me because I have big shoes to fill, and I'm going to come in and compete right away.
It's not just about saying yes to one school. You have to say no to at least a couple of others, specifically Nebraska as well. I know they recruited you pretty hard. How difficult a conversation is that to say no to two other schools at least that wanted you badly?
It was kind of difficult because just like I've developed relationship with people at USC, I did the same thing at Nebraska, but it was kind of hard for me to say no to them. But I would like to thank them for recruiting me in the way that they did.
Even more difficult to say no to USC, so you said yes. Joseph Lewis headed to